We will explore the top investment opportunities and key sectors in Denmark, and why this small Nordic nation consistently punches above its weight on the global stage. Denmark combines political stability, a highly educated workforce, strong rule of law, and an innovation-driven economy, making it a compelling destination for long-term, risk-adjusted returns. As we walk through the most promising sectors, we will focus on structural trends, policy support, and practical considerations for investors looking to enter or expand within the Danish market. Let us begin with one of Denmark's most distinctive strengths, renewable energy and the broader green transition. Denmark has been a pioneer in wind energy for decades and today hosts world-leading companies across the value chain, from turbine manufacturing and offshore engineering to grid integration and energy trading. The country's ambitious climate targets, including a legally binding commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 70% by 2030 compared to 1990 levels, create a robust, long-term pipeline of projects. This extends beyond offshore wind to encompass power-to-X, green hydrogen, sustainable fuels, and energy storage solutions. The policy environment is supportive and predictable. Public-private collaboration is sophisticated, and regional integration with the broader Nordic and European energy markets provides scale. For investors, this translates into opportunities in infrastructure funds, project finance, technology ventures, and industrial partnerships with established Danish players and ambitious growth companies. From green energy, we turn to life sciences and healthcare, another cornerstone of Denmark's economy. The country is home to globally significant pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical technology firms, underpinned by strong universities, specialized research hospitals, and a well-structured regulatory framework. Denmark's extensive health data and digital registries, coupled with high trust in institutions, create a unique environment for clinical research, real-world evidence generation, and data-driven health solutions. Investors will find compelling opportunities in late-stage biotech, contract manufacturing, medtech devices, digital health platforms, and AI-enabled diagnostics. The ecosystem benefits from access to a talent pool with deep expertise in areas such as diabetes care, neuroscience, immunology, and rare diseases, while government initiatives and cluster organizations help connect international capital to local innovation. Moving on, Denmark is also at the forefront of digitalization and advanced technologies. With one of the highest levels of broadband penetration in the world, strong digital skills in the population, and a public sector that has embraced e-government and digital identity, the country offers a fertile platform for software, fintech, and data-driven business models. Copenhagen, Aarhus, and other urban centers host vibrant startup communities, particularly in fintech, enterprise software, gaming, and e-commerce infrastructure. For investors, this means a growing pipeline of scalable digital ventures supported by accelerators, incubators, and an increasingly internationalized founder base. In addition, Denmark's focus on cybersecurity, data privacy, and ethical AI positions it as a reliable environment for mission-critical technology investments, including cloud-native solutions, SaaS platforms, and industrial digitalization offerings aimed at optimizing manufacturing, logistics, and energy systems. Another important pillar is Denmark's maritime, logistics, and transportation sector. With a strategic location connecting Northern Europe to the Baltic Sea and global shipping lanes, Denmark has built world-class capabilities in container shipping, port operations, maritime services, and logistics technology. Danish shipping and logistics companies are driving decarbonization of global supply chains, investing in green fuels, more efficient vessels, and digital platforms for end-to-end visibility. This sector offers investment opportunities in sustainable shipping solutions, port infrastructure modernization, maritime tech startups, and logistics platforms using data analytics and automation to improve efficiency and resilience. As global trade flows evolve and pressure mounts to reduce emissions, Danish players are well positioned to capture value, and investors can partner with them across both equity and debt instruments. Beyond these core areas, there is growing momentum in sustainable food, agriculture, and bioresources. Denmark is recognized for its high food safety standards, strong agricultural cooperatives, and leading expertise in ingredients, enzymes, and advanced food processing. The country is investing in alternative proteins, precision fermentation, and climate-smart farming practices that reduce emissions while improving productivity and animal welfare. Investors will find opportunities in agri-tech, food tech, and specialty ingredients, often at the convergence of biology, data, and engineering. Clusters focusing on plant-based products, functional foods, and circular use of agricultural byproducts support innovation, while access to the wider European market provides scale. In real assets, Denmark's real estate and infrastructure sectors continue to attract institutional investors seeking stable, long-term returns. Urbanization, demographic trends, and changing workplace patterns are reshaping demand for residential, logistics, and office properties, particularly in and around Copenhagen. Logistics and last-mile distribution facilities are benefiting from the rise of e-commerce, while energy-efficient residential properties and modern office spaces aligned with high sustainability standards remain in focus. At the same time, infrastructure investments in rail, public transport, digital infrastructure, and climate adaptation projects open avenues for long-duration capital, often with public-private partnership structures and clear regulatory frameworks. Returning investors appreciate Denmark's transparency, reliable legal system, and relatively low country risk profile compared with many other markets. To successfully capture these opportunities, investors should be mindful of a few cross-cutting considerations. First, Denmark places strong emphasis on sustainability, ESG performance, and responsible business practices. This is not simply branding. Environmental and social criteria are integrated into regulation, procurement, and consumer expectations. Investment theses that align with climate goals, resource efficiency, and social inclusion are more likely to receive local support and benefit from policy tailwinds. Second, partnership is critical. Many of the most attractive opportunities, especially in energy, infrastructure, life sciences, and advanced manufacturing, emerge from collaborations between corporates, startups, research institutions, and public entities. Building relationships with Danish clusters, industry associations, and innovation hubs can accelerate market entry and improve deal flow. Third, while Denmark is a relatively small market in population terms, it serves as an effective testbed and launchpad for Nordic and European expansion. The country's high digital adoption and sophisticated consumers allow companies to iterate quickly and then scale into larger neighboring markets with validated solutions. Finally, investors should account for Denmark's high cost base and competitive labor market by focusing on sectors where productivity, innovation, and pricing power offset higher operating expenses. In summary, Denmark offers a diversified portfolio of investment opportunities across renewable energy and the green transition, life sciences and healthcare, digital and advanced technologies, maritime and logistics, sustainable food and bioresources, as well as real assets and infrastructure. Underpinned by political stability, strong institutions, and a consistent focus on sustainability and innovation, the Danish market is particularly well suited for investors with a long-term perspective and a strategic interest in future-oriented sectors. By combining a clear understanding of local dynamics with robust global partnerships, investors can leverage Denmark as both a source of attractive standalone assets and a strategic gateway to broader European growth.